Well guys, looks like I got myself into a little bit of trouble, but it's Sunday, or fun day, or gun day, whichever. It's gun day today. Check this out. I'm gonna attempt to load these and shoot them, all while handcuffed.
What do you got here?
I got my 9mm. I'm gonna start with what I'm assuming is the easiest and work my way to the harder ones. I got my AR next, 12 gauge shotgun, and a muzzle loader.
That one's gonna be tricky, ain't it?
That one is gonna be hard. All right, let's get started.
Simple.
Not bad.
One down.
Clear. All right, AR. Gotta reach for that mag. Come on, come on.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh man, don't break your wrist.
All good. Yeah.
Two down.
A little harder, but it worked. Oh, this hurts so bad. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, next. You know, I think this one might be easier than the AR. Something tells me that, but let's find out. Ow, that hurts, that hurts.
There you go.
Let gravity do the work. By the way, I wouldn't recommend trying this. I'm experienced.
Knock the barrel over.
Okay. Safety on. All clear. Oh boy.
Here's the hard part.
Come on, how am I gonna do this? Bear with me on this one. I already got the powder measured, because I don't think that would have been possible otherwise. Okay. Patch. Where's that patch? There it is. Oh, well, looks like I'm not using a patch. All right, load it up. Now for the cap. All right, you ready?
Yeah. It's tough.
This is tough. All right, here it goes.
Nice.
There we go. Oh, well, this this is the most awkward thing I've ever done with any kind of firearm. Especially loading this muzzle loader.
Yeah.
Maybe next time I could try one-handed. Completely one-handed. All right, guys, that's all I've got today. Gotta go home and clean that monstrosity. And if you guys enjoyed watching me run this little gauntlet that we made up, hit that subscribe button right here to my left and click on another video down here somewhere, and I'll catch you next time. And I gotta figure out how to get these things off of me.
Hey, Jack, get these off of me. Huh?